This video is brought to you by 475 High Performance Building Supply. The first step in installing Intello is rolling it out and cutting it to the correct size. With the cut Intello, we will go inside and begin to attach it to the walls. Here we attach it with staples, starting in the middle, then moving out, pulling it tight. As you can see, we are stapling into our wood studs and ceiling joists. It is important to maintain a flat and neat install with the Intello wrap. Once we have completed placing the Intello wrap on the wall, we can begin to cut our penetrations. Now we can go back in and fill in with staples every 4 to 6 inches. As we continue to install the Intello wrap onto the walls, it is important to note that we start from the ceiling, pulling it down so that any bubbles that remain in the wrap are gone by the time we reach the floor, stapling every 4 to 6 inches on the way down. Once the walls have been completely stapled, we can begin to install the ceiling, making sure to overlap the Intello wrap that is on the wall. Once we could get more Intello wrap inside, it was time to install the floors. One of the most important things to remember is that this should be an airtight installation. With that said, here you can see us taping off our cut penetration. Likewise, we will do this around the electrical box where we cut earlier. The tape we are using here is the Tescon Profile. We use the Tescon Profile around all of the doors, windows, electrical boxes, fan vents, and etc. With the plastic blue card, we are able to make sure that we have tight corners and constant contact with the Intello wrap. Now we can use the Tescon Vanna tape to tape the seams of the Intello wrap from the wall to the floor and likewise to the ceiling. No matter what the penetration is in the Intello wrap, it must be taped off. With the Intello wrap installed, our wall assembly will be able to have an air gap on the outside and a conditioned climate on the inside. The Intello wrap provided the perfect solution for our need for air tightness and vapor control. Couldn't be easier. This video has been produced by Studio 804, a graduate program at the University of Kansas School of Architecture and Design.